Hello friends, I am going to teach you real numbers NCERT exercise 1.1. Now here first question, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. Now we write solution for it by taking, we write here let a is any positive, let a is any positive odd integer. We start with this positive odd integer, and for that we apply here, we apply the division algorithm. For this, and for that purpose we start this, or we apply the division algorithm for this with a, means this positive odd integer a. Now here with the help of this division algorithm with a, there is need of another integer, that is we say b, and that is equal to 6, because here 6q and 6q, therefore 6 is, this 6 is here divisor, and therefore we take b is equal to 6. Now from this we say that since here 0 less than equal to or less than 6, now the possible remainders, when we write here 0 is less than equal to or less than 6, means the possible remainders are here, those are from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are remainders. That is, a can be 6q or 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 4 or 6q plus 5, where q is the quotient. Now here q is the quotient. Q is the quotient here. Now since a is an odd integer, this is given odd integer, and when we say this is an odd integer, then these cases, means these cases I told 6q, no, then 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, 6q plus 5. In this, if this is odd integer, a is an odd integer, then we do not consider the cases. We do not consider the cases 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4, because these are even, and therefore we do not consider the cases 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4, because these are divisible by 2. Therefore we finally write here, therefore any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. This is our final answer. Friends, if you want to join my online classes, then contact me, as well as like, share, subscribe my channel and press notification button to